serious? What's up, everybody?
It's the Korean Jews fam. It's not called Korean Jews, I'm sorry. I don't know why I said that. Yeah.
Yes, it is called. That's our channel.
I thought we changed
To what?
it. You know, we'll figure it out later, but yeah.
Anyways, guys, today we are going to Wrentham outlets. I think there's something on here.
We're showing you real life stuff. All the good stuff.
Yes, Wrentham outlets, if you don't know, it's a
Discounted area.
yeah.
A bunch of outlets, different like they got FUBU.
FUBU. I'm all agreeing like oh they have Nike outlets, they have Michael Kors, they have from like low name brand
Polo
to
Assassin.
like that's where you shop.
That's where you shop. her jeans don't even got pockets, so like she's talking trash. So I don't know what she's talking about.
No girl pants have pockets.
Why do girl pants have zippers?
What? Why do they have zippers?
Yeah.
Don't you need to zip your pants?
Why can't there be a button? Why do you even need it? If you don't need pockets, why you need zipper? Wait.
Life is spinning, but I'm standing still.
Nah, you don't do it on this side. There you go, right there.
But yeah, guys, so
yeah, perfect.
we're about to go there, and then I have to do my eyebrows because look,
Fit check.
I need some sneakers.
See?
Huh? Yeah, I brought
Fit
my
check.
jacket.
Check out her fit, guys.
My,
If she don't match up fly, then she ain't right. Okay, I don't know what that was. But my turn.
Let's see. You got the Jordan Concord 11s.
A pair of custom ripped jeans.
Yeah, Julian did those. And a shirt that says no pressure with the gorilla. Rest in peace, Harambe. And then you have a jacket because it's going into the fall.
Thrifted. And it's the Polo Club. It's
Izod.
actually Izod.
Yeah.
And it matches my shirt too, but on accident.
Yeah.
That's the kind of look we doing out here.
And let's see your happy dip. You made it.
You're safe.
Let's go to Adidas. Where am I? Damn. It's hot out here. Mango G. Who's Julian? So Julian, where are we going?
I don't know. I offered some store bookers. Hina said she don't want to go.
Where?
Offered Adidas.
You said Skechers.
Yeah, Adidas. Get this for you.
What? It's supposed to be water. Skechers, Armani, lemonade. Kate Spade. Huh?
Kate Spade.
Kate Spade. She passed away. Rest in peace.
Did she really?
Yeah, she did.
Let me see. How they feel. I see what you mean though.
Narrow, right?
No, not narrow.
The tongue.
Yeah,
the tongue.
that is a little. It's a little tight. Yeah. It's because it's running shoes. That's why. Nah, so
These are nice. I like these.
I did some black shoes.
Yeah, over there. Mad money. I need some all black, but I couldn't find any.
Let me see.
There's a line
For what?
to get in. There's a line to get in.
I thought you wanted a luncheon card.
We don't have that here. I think. Yes, I do.
So you already have one?
Oh, but I could get more. Like I just want to look.
Oh. No, I'm like, huh? Grab back of course. She's trying to get another bag. She already has one. Slow walk over that way. Like a movie.
Yeah, food.
Worse.
What are you looking at, Izzy?
I don't know. So we just bought this. Well, she bought stuff from Michael Kors and some shoes. I didn't buy anything.
You bought that?
I bought a watch today.
He bought a his and hers watch.
I bought my first watch today.
For me.
It's real nice. I think I appreciate it.
You bought for me too.
Yeah.
Well, it came together, so.
Now we're gonna go. She's gonna go to Uggs now.
Oh.
Uggs is trash. You can't support Uggs or something.
Why? How you know?
The fur, remember?
That's for fur?
Yes.
Who said
The
that?
fur in the Uggs. For real. You don't remember? They kill like real like.
I don't know.
Okay. She gonna put that up. Get your energy
It's like,
change.
oh, I was good. I don't wear Uggs.
Yeah, man.
I haven't had Uggs since like high school.
What happened to them? They got leaned out.
Yeah. What are you doing? You think you're funny, but yeah, guys, they have a lot of stuff. They have Columbia. Yo, they have Saint Laurent. Saint Laurent. They have YSL. YSL, Vitamin Wear, Calvin Klein. What else, Julian?
Columbia.
Alright guys, so we're gonna end this vlog here.
It's tiring day. Tiring day.
Towering.
Tiring day.
Tiring.
Yeah.
So we're about to go to the car, so.
Yep. Facts.
Huh? Oh, they're right there.
Hungry.
Yeah, I'm hungry, guys. We didn't go to Auntie Anne's, it was too far. But anyways, we're about to... Huh? But anyways, we're about to end this vlog, so...
We're not.
Why?
Ain't nothing over to our face.
So then here you vlog.
Nah, that's over. What's wrong?
You're mad at you right now.
Huh?
What the fuck is the car, bro?
What you wanna wear?
Sandals?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And?
Tired, bro.
Oh, yeah. Okay,
And
well,
my feet hurt.
give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, and
I'm walking in the street right now, so I don't know what you're doing. I'm about to get hit.
don't care. Just end it.
Alright, we're about to be out of here, guys.
Bye.
Bye. God. Leave. Put it on YouTube.